In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more out of Trello 5 minutes. Trello is a simple visual way to manage projects with boards, lists, and cards. Start by heading to the Trello website and either create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new board. Give your board a clear, purposeful name, something that instantly tells you what it's for, like marketing launch or home renovation. Before you confirm, choose visibility settings that match your needs. Keep it private for personal work, share it with your team for collaboration, or make it public only if you truly want it discoverable. Your board is the canvas. It's made up of lists and cards that mirror your workflow. Lists organize work into stages, and you can rename them to fit any process. A classic setup is to do, in progress, and completed. If you're planning content, try ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. You can always drag lists left and right to reorder them as your process evolves. Cards are the individual tasks, notes, or ideas inside those lists. To add one, click Add a card at the bottom of a list and type a short, action-oriented title. Keep titles concise so you can scan your board quickly. The magic of Trello is moving work forward, so drag cards from one list to the next as progress is made. This gives you an instant snapshot of where everything stands. Click any card to open its detailed view, sometimes called the card back. Here's where collaboration really happens. Use the description area to add context, links, or simple formatting so anyone can understand what needs doing. Break big tasks into smaller steps with checklists. Watching items get checked off is both motivating and clarifying. Set due dates to establish deadlines and receive reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Add color-coded labels to categorize work. Think priority, type, or team. And keep your labeling system consistent across the board. Attach files, links, or images so relevant materials live with the task itself. And keep discussion in one place by using comments to ask questions, share updates, or mention teammates. As you work, review your board regularly. Rename lists if your process shifts, reorder them to highlight priorities, and make sure each card represents a single, clear task. With these fundamentals, creating a board, shaping lists, adding cards, and enriching them with details, you'll turn Trello into a reliable command center for any project.